So hi there folks, I am coming to you once again from Titusville, Florida, and I am at 3661 Libby Lane. And first of all, I want to give out a big shout out to Haley Thomas for allowing us to come and video this home. I am super excited to show you this one because it is a 2020 home, almost 1750 square foot, and there I am in the shadow, which I was trying to avoid. But anyway, take a look. We walk in here and there is this gorgeous open area of dining room and living room area. And we're going to pop over into the kitchen here. Beautiful countertops. Great way to actually be able to cook, have a conversation with your guests. Nice appliances. Gorgeous little nook over there. Nice center island. Everything you could ask for in here. So let's keep cruising through the house. Heading out to the living room again. Huge area right here. Huge, huge, huge. Nice little bar stool area. And we're going to head over to the guest suite side of the home. So we've got the laundry room. Nice shelving up there. I'm going to go ahead and pop out, take a look at the garage real fast. That's the guy's favorite place to look, so we don't want to leave them out. We're going to go ahead and show you the garage. Got some shelving, so plenty of room there for that. Closed out and down the hallway. So we've got a bedroom right here. Nice size room. Pop on over, second bedroom right here. Again, plenty of room. So we've got a crib, we've got a desk. Nice size bathroom right here. So not one of those skinny little bad boys. You got plenty of space in here to move around. Nice sink area, tub and shower combo. Closet we're passing there is just a AC unit on one side and a little bit of storage on the other. Cruising on through. Give you one more nice glance from this side. All the space that you have. Nice little patio area out here, all screened in, so you can sit outside, enjoy. And then into the master bedroom. And this room is super big. Yeah, got a big bed there, nightstand on each side, women's dresser, men's chest, TV, little desk. All kinds of stuff. Going to the bathroom here, and we have our double sinks. Nice walk-in shower. I peeked that closet open a little bit just so you can see how much space is in there for all of your linens. And then nice big walk-in closet. Nice space in there. They actually have a chest in there as well, so you can see that we have plenty of room there. Again, glancing me in these wonderful mirrors that we've got sitting around here. So as we cruise back out here, just want to let you take in the living room while I recap a couple things. We do have a whole house generator here. We've got metal hurricane shutters. This home, built in 2020, was built so efficiently that we've got low electric bills here, $50 to $75 a month. Insurance is only around $2,000 a year. Keyless entry. Got a smart home security system here with ADT. They pay $27 a month. You can arm and disarm this house from anywhere you are. So lots of really, really cool features. Again, it's 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Almost 1750 square foot, built in 2020, 3661 Libby Lane here in Titusville, 32780. We're listed at $365,000. HOA is only $200 a quarter, so awesome there. If you would like to have a private showing, you can reach out to me. My name again is Margaret, or you can reach out to the list agent, Haley Thomas, and either one of us will be glad to bring you in for your own private showing of this home. Thanks so much for coming on the tour with us, and you have an amazing day. Bye-bye.